I recently got my hands on some pure AMT and decided to experiment with it. Experiment number 1. Approximately 40 mg insufflated while pilling it up into 40 mg pills. I licked my fingers at the end of the ordeal and snorted what I couldn't get into the pills. I am guessing I ingested about 40 mg. Visuals were weak, but very beautiful. I felt like I was rolling and was drinking lots of water. Music sounded wonderful and my conversations were very flowing and honest. After a few hours, I went home and while lying in bed trying to sleep, I had movies playing in my mind that were so real. More than twice I had to reconvince myself that I was in my bed and by myself. Truly a neat experience. Experiment number 2. Snorted 60 mg. I do not recommend this. The burn was intense and lasted more than 30 minutes. I vomited. The only cool thing was that visuals started about 1 minute after insufflation. The visuals were stronger this time and I was over at a friend's house while everyone else was drinking. I felt like I had eaten about 100 mg of MDMA and taken 1 hit of acid. Talking was very enjoyable and I was grinding my teeth quite a bit. I was very honest and open and empathetic to everyone. Same thing happened when I went to bed that night. Experiment number 3. Ate 60 mg. Wow. Eating is the way to do it. I felt the effects about 20 minutes later and went up for easily almost 2 hours straight. I watched Moonstruck during that time and my visuals were stronger than 5 hits of acid. I felt like I was blowing up hard. The bad part was that I wanted to throw up as if I had eaten some mescaline. I held it down and by the time the movie was halfway over, the nausea was gone. I had a really good conversation with my brother about our family life. I went out to smoke a cigarette and then went to bed after about 2 more hours of talking. While in bed this time, I was listening to music, which was incredible this time. I was listening to oldies about young love and the like, and the songs were becoming structured in 3 dimensions in my brain. There really is no way to describe this concept except that I felt that I finally was understanding both sides of the love relationships in all of the songs, as if each line of lyrics built on or responded to the last one. It was the best experience I can describe with music. AMT is truly a great substance, but is most definitely a social drug and must be used in that context. Having a bad trip with AMT seems impossible and having a good time is almost inevitable. Nausea is the main problem and trisma can be annoying. Drink lots of water and have some cigarettes if you're into that, they're a must. And make sure that someone can give you a back rub, they feel great.